and welcome to this tutorial. A car starts from rest at the point A and moves in a straight line with constant acceleration for 20 seconds until it reaches point B. So which means, until it reaches point B, the speed of the car at B is 30 meters per second. So let's say this is the initial point, that is the starting point. Okay, that's A, and C is between A and B. Now the car starts from rest, which means the initial velocity of the car will be 0 at the point A and moves in a straight line with constant acceleration for 20 seconds. So the time for which the car, okay, travels from A to B, okay, which is T, okay, is equals to 20 seconds until it reaches point B. The speed of the car at B is 30 meters per second. So that means velocity at B is 30 meters per second. Now, the first task is for us to calculate the acceleration of the car. So we want to know what is the acceleration of the car. So I'm going to use the formula for acceleration, which is A equals to change in velocity over time. Okay, acceleration is equals to, so this velocity is the final velocity because it's moved in a straight line with constant acceleration for 20 seconds until it reaches B. The speed of the car at B is 30 meters per second. So this will be 30 minus 0 divided by 20 because T is equals to 20. So that acceleration will be equals to 30 over 20, and this is 1.5 meters per second squared. So the value of acceleration is 1.5 meters per second squared. Then B, we are going to calculate the speed of the car as it passes point C. As it passes point C, where C is between A and B, and distance AC is 40 meters. That is distance AC, okay, is 40 meters. That's from A to C. The distance covered is 40 meters. So we have distance AC to be equals to 40 meters. Then the initial velocity is 0. Okay. Then the acceleration is constant. That is the same acceleration, okay, throughout. So that's why the acceleration is constant, because the car moves in a straight line with constant acceleration for 20 seconds. And let's not forget that the time for which the car travels from A to B is 20 seconds. So the acceleration, okay, the acceleration is 1.5 meters per second squared. 1.5 meters per second squared. So we want to calculate the speed of the car as it passes point C. So let's represent the speed of the car as it passes point C with V subscript C. Now we can use one of the equations of kinematics. Now, using the equation speed of the car as it passes point C raised to the power of 2, initial velocity squared, plus 2 times acceleration, okay, multiplied by distance AC. So this will be equals to 0 squared plus 2 multiplied by 1.5, then multiplied by 40. So that this will be 3 times 40, because 1.5 times 2, that's 3, multiplied by 40. So that the speed will be equals to square root of 120. Then this will be the same as square root of 4 times 30. Let me simplify this. Then the speed of the car as it passes through point C will be 2 root 30 meters per second. So this is the speed of the car as it passes Point C. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye bye.